Yeah. Answer your phone.
Answer your phone.
Treyy Dee. Answer your phone. My ringtone.
Pick up your phone.
Treyy Dee. Look at it. It's ringing.
Answer your phone.
Pick it up.
Pick it up.
I know you pick up your phone. Okay.
Let me
Alright. Pick up your phone, bruh. Just pick up your phone.
Answer your phone. Answer your phone. Answer your phone.
Yep.
You need to pick up your phone.
You need to
pick it up.
You need to pick up.
You need to pick up your phone. Pick up your phone. Answer your phone. Answer it. You need to pick up your phone before they hang up. Pick up your phone. You need to pick it up. Pick it up. You need to pick it up. Pick it up. Answer your phone.
Okay.
Answer your phone.
Alright.
Answer your phone. You need to answer your phone before they hang up. And if you don't pick up your phone, you're gon' be in trouble. Answer your phone. Pick up your phone. Let it ring low. Pick up your phone. Answer it right now. Slide your phone to the right and pick it up and call on your phone before she hang up. Then she won't call you back. And now you're mad if you didn't answer your phone. Now you need to pick up your phone. Pick up your phone. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. This is my ringtone. This is Treyy Dee.
This is my ringtone.
On the ringtone.
On my ringtone.
On my ringtone. I'ma put it on my iPhone. Put it on my iPhone. I'ma hit this note for you. I'ma hit this note for you. You need to pick up your phone.
Pick up your phone.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Guarantee you gotta pick up your phone before they go home. Before they go home. I really can't sing with auto-tune on my ringtone. On my ringtone. Pick up your phone, homeboy. Pick up your phone. And then I put my headphones. And then I got a ringtone. And now I'm begging in the booth. All alone in my shoes. So I'm begging, I'm singing my ringtone. Pick up your phone, nigga.
Yeah, you
just pick up your phone. Pick up your phone. Pick up your phone.
Treyy Dee.
Just pick it up
in the studio, making a ringtone. Treyy Dee, making a ringtone.
Pick up your phone.
Pick up your phone. They don't know about my ringtone. 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 Now I got my own ringtone. Just for my iPhone. Just for my iPhone. Treyy Dee. Haha, yeah. Woo. Shout out to my ace boogie. To my little sister.